वन शॉट यूट्यूब चैनल रे आपण मानकु स्वागत। एही वीडियो रे आज हम डिस्कशन करिबा 60 टी इंग्लिश एमसीक्यू पेडागोजी क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा जार टॉपिक गुडी को रहइबो असेसमेंट ऑफ लैंग्वेज स्किल रो। तो 60 टी एमसीक्यू रहइबो। वीडियो को संपूर्ण भाव में देखिबे आ प्रैक्टिस मध्य करिवे। तो यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करिया पय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे रहिछि, सेटु जाई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। चलो वीडियो को देरी न करि आरंभ करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लो। Question number 1. Which skill is best assessed through dictation? Which skill is best assessed through dictation? Dictation द्वारा केउं दक्षता सर्वोत्तम भाव में मापा जाय थाए? तो राइट आंसर कौन हबो? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, लिसनिंग द्वारा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Which of the following is a receptive skill? निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउंटा एक रिसेप्टिव दक्षता रटे? तो राइट आंसर कौन हबो? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, लिसनिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. A reading comprehension test mainly evaluate पाठ ग्रहण परीक्षा प्रधानतः कौन को मापी थाए? तो राइट आंसर कौन है? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which test is most suitable for assessing listening skill? Which test is most suitable for assessing listening skill? श्रवण दक्षता मापिबा पई सर्वाधिक उपयुक्त परीक्षा कौन करबा आवश्यक? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डिक्टेशन करबा आवश्यक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Which skill is assessed when a learner narrate a story? Which skill is assessed when a learner narrate a story? केते बेले एक शिक्षार्थी गुटिए कथा कहे सेते बेले केउं दक्षता मापा जाय थाए? जेते बेले एक शिक्षार्थी गुटिए स्टोरी बा गप कहि थाए सेते बेले केउं दक्षता मापा जाय थाए? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, स्पीकिंग। स्पीकिंग रो दक्षता मापा जाय थाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In language assessment portfolio refers to भाषा मूल्यांकन पोर्टफोलियो रो अर्थ कौन? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए कलेक्शन ऑफ लर्नर्स वर्क। ए कलेक्शन ऑफ लर्नर्स वर्क बा शिक्षार्थींकर कार्यर संग्रह करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which activity helps in assessing pronunciation? Which activity helps in assessing pronunciation? केउं कार्यकलाप उच्चारण मापिबारे साहाय्य करिथाए? केउं कार्यकलाप उच्चारण मापिबारे साहाय्य करिथाए? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रीडिंग अलाउड। उच्चारण करि पढिबा कार्यकलाप उच्चारण मापिबारे साहाय्य करिथाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Assessment of writing skill does not include. से पचार असेसमेंट ऑफ राइटिंग स्किल डज नॉट इंक्लूड लेखन दक्षतार मूल्यांकन रे कौन न थाए? ए चारोटी ऑप्शन लु कोउटा न थाए? तो राइट आंसर है कौन? राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन। प्रोनाउंसिएशन न थाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Which of the following is a productive skill? निम्नलिखित मध्यरु केउंटा उत्पादनशील बा प्रोडक्टिव दक्षता अटे? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, स्पीकिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Error analysis in students writing helps in assessing. शिक्षार्थी को लेखारे त्रुटि विश्लेषण काहाकु मापिबारे साहाय्य करिथाए? शिक्षार्थी को लेखारे त्रुटि विश्लेषण कौन को मापिबारे साहाय्य करिथाए? तो राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ग्रामर एंड यूजेस। वाक्यरणर ओ प्रयोगर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which assessment technique involve real life task? Which assessment technique involves real life task? କେଉଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ ବାସ୍ତବିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦିଆଯାଇଥାଏ? କେଉଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ ବାସ୍ତବିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦିଆଯାଇଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଅଥେଣ୍ଟିକ୍ ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ, ପ୍ରାମାଣିକ ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟାରେ। Question number 12. Which tool is best for assessing speaking skills? Which tool is best for assessing speaking skills? କଥନ ଦକ୍ଷତା ମାପିବାରେ ସର୍ବୋତ୍ତମ ସାଧନ କ'ଣ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ଓରାଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ। ମୌଖିକ ସାକ୍ଷାତକାର କଥନ ଦକ୍ଷତା ମାପିବାରେ ସାଧନ କରିଥାଏ। Question number 13. Formative assessment in language learning is mainly. Formative assessment in language learning is mainly ଭାଷା ଶିକ୍ଷାର ଗଠନମୂଳକ ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ପ୍ରଧାନତଃ କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? ଭାଷା ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ ଗଠନମୂଳକ ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନର ପ୍ରଧାନତଃ କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ ଫର୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ। ଫର୍ମେଟିଭ୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଫର୍ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ। Question number 14. A clause test is useful for assessing. A clause test is useful for assessing. Clause test କ'ଣ ମାପିବାରେ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ହୋଇଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଗ୍ରାମାର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଭୋକାବୁଲାରୀ। Question number 15. Which method is most suitable to test fluency in speaking? Which method is most suitable to test fluency in speaking? କଥନର ସ୍ୱଚ୍ଛତା ବା ଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସି ମାପିବାର ସର୍ବାଧିକ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା କେଉଁଟା? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ରୋଲ୍ ପ୍ଲେ। Question number 16. Which of the following is not a language skill? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭାଷା ଦକ୍ଷତା ନୁହେଁ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଡି memorization. Question number 7. Question number 17. Which skill is tested through silent reading followed by questions? Which skill is tested through silent reading followed by question? ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ସହିତ ନୀରବ ପାଠ କ'ଣକୁ ମାପିଥାଏ? ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ସହିତ ନୀରବ ପାଠ କ'ଣକୁ ମାପିଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି ରିଡିଂ କମ୍ପ୍ରେhension। Question number 18. Summative assessment in language. Summative assessment in language teaching usually takes place. ଭାଷା ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ ସମାହାର ବା ସमेटिव ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ସାଧାରଣତଃ କେବେ ହୋଇଥାଏ? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଏଟ୍ ଦ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ଏ କୋର୍ସ, ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଶେଷରେ ହୋଇଥାଏ। Question number 19. Which is an indirect test of writing? ଲେଖନରେ ଇନଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କେବେ ହୋଇଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି କ୍ଲୋଜ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟରେ। Question number 20. Diagnostic test in language learning is used to. ଭାଷା ଶିକ୍ଷାରେ ଡାଇଗ୍ନୋଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ପରୀକ୍ଷା କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଥାଏ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ ୟାର ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟି, ଅସୁବିଧାକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ। Question number 21. Which tool is most suitable for assessing listening comprehension? ଶ୍ରବଣ ଗ୍ରହଣ listening comprehension ମାପିବାର ସର୍ବାଧିକ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ସାଧନ କ'ଣ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଏ ମଲ୍ଟିପଲ୍ ଚଏସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍। Question number 22. Which of the following is a non-test technique of assessment? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟା ପରୀକ୍ଷା ବିହୀନ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ଅଟେ ବା ନନ୍ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ଅଟେ? ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି ଅବଜର୍ଭେସନ୍। Question number 23. Rating scale is mostly used in assessing. Rating scale ସାଧାରଣତଃ କ'ଣ ମାପିବାରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ? The right answer is option number A, pronunciation. Question number 24. Which tool records the progress of a learner over time? କେଉଁ ସାଧନ ଏକ ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀର ଅଗ୍ରଗତିକୁ ସମୟ ସହିତ ରେକର୍ଡ କରି ରଖିଥାଏ? The right answer is option number B, portfolio. Question number 25. Which of the following techniques is best for peer assessment? ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ସହପାଠୀ ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ବା peer assessment ପାଇଁ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଅଟେ? The right answer is option number B, role play. Question number 26. Which technique is used in continuous and comprehensive evaluation? ନିରନ୍ତର ଓ ସମଗ୍ର ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାଏ? The right answer is option number B, observation and project. Question number 27. A rubric is mainly used for. rubric ପ୍ରଧାନତଃ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୁଏ? The right answer is option number B, writing and speaking assessment. Question number 28. Which test item best assess vocabulary? vocabulary ମାପିବାରେ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ସର୍ବୋତ୍ତମ ଅଟେ? The right answer is option number A, matching words. Question number 29. Which tool is most appropriate to test spelling? ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା ବା ସ୍ପେଲିଂ ମାପିବାରେ କେଉଁ ସାଧନ ସର୍ବାଧିକ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ? The right answer is option number B, dictation. Question number 30. Which technique is best suited for assessing fluency? fluency ମାପିବାର କେଉଁ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଅଟେ? The right answer is option number A, role play. Question number 31. Which of the following is not a technique of language assessment? ନିମ୍ନୋକ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁଟା ଭାଷା ମୂଲ୍ୟାୟନ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା ନୁହେଁ? The right answer is option number C, lecture. Question number 32. Which tool use descriptor like excellent, good, average and poor? The right answer is option number A, rubric. Question number 33. Which is the most suitable tool for testing comprehension at lower level? ନିମ୍ନ ସ୍ତରରେ ପାଠ୍ୟ ଗ୍ରହଣ ମାପିବାର କେଉଁଟା ଏକ ସାଧନ ଅଟେ? The right answer is option number A, multiple choice question. Question number 34. Which of the following is an example of performance based assessment? The right answer is option number B, role play. Question number 35. Which tool is useful in diagnosing language difficulty? The right answer is option number A, diagnostic test. Question number 36. Which tool is most suitable for self-assessment of learners? The right answer is option number B, checklist. Question number 37. Which tool helps teachers to keep daily record of learner performance? The right answer is option number A, checklist. Question number 38. Which of the following is an alternative assessment tool? The right answer is option number A, portfolio. Question number 39. Which technique is best for assessing oral communication skill? The right answer is option number B, oral interview. Question number 40. Which tool is suitable for assessing creativity in writing? The right answer is option number A, essay writing. Question number 41. In CCE assessment of language skill is done. The right answer is option number B, continuously and predictably. Question number 42. Which of the following is a formative assessment activity in language learning? The right answer is option number A, portfolio maintenance. Question number 43. CCE, which technique helps in holistic assessment of language skill? The right answer is option number B, observation and project. Question number 44. Which tool is most suitable for continuous feedback in language learning? The right answer is option number B, rubric. Question number 45. Which activity in CCE helps in assessing speaking fluency? The right answer is option number A, role play. Question number 46. Which of the following is a tool of self-assessment in CCE? The right answer is option number B, checklist. Question number 47. In CCE's anecdotal record are maintained for? The right answer is option number B, record observed behavior. Question number 48. Which of the following is an example of co-scholastic assessment in CCE? The right answer is option number A, debate. Question number 49. Which assessment tool promotes learner reflective thinking in CCE? Which assessment tool promotes learners reflective thinking in CCE? The right answer is option number A, portfolio. Question number 50. In CCE, which type of assessment is mainly done at the end of term? The right answer is option number B, summative assessment. Question number 51. Which of the following is a limitation of CCE in language assessment? The right answer is option number B, time consuming. Question number 52. Which technique in CCE involves groups activity for assessment? The right answer is option number B, project work. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a feature of CCE? The right answer is option number C, only end-term exam. Only end-term exams. Question number 54. Which tool help teacher track learner progress in CCE? The right answer is option number A, report card. Question number 55. Which of the following is a direct tool for assessing oral skill in CCE? The right answer is option number A, oral presentation. Question number 56. In CCE, which test is conducted to identify learner weakness? The right answer is option number B, diagnostic test. Question number 57. Which activity under CCE integrate both listening and speaking assessment? The right answer is option number A, role play. Question number 58. Which co-scholastic tool in CCE can support language development? The right answer is option number A, drama. Question number 59. Which tool of CCE helps in qualitative feedback rather than marks? Which tool of CCE helps in qualitative feedback rather than mark? The right answer is option number A, rubric. Question number 60. Which principle of CC ensure development of all 4 language skill? Which principle of CC ensure development of all 4 language skill? The right answer is option number A. Holistic assessment. तो वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करिवो चैनल को नथिले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवो एमिति सिलेबस वाइज वीडियो पाइबा पाई।